Alrighty, Holly is away for the day, and so I'm gonna feed our dog her favorite thing to eat, a McDonald's cheeseburger. Maddie, you want a cheeseburger, buddy? You want a cheeseburger? Come on. Come on, little puppy. Come on. Come on, Maddie Moo. Alrighty. Maddie, sit. Nope, stay. Stay. I'm going to put the cheeseburger down and unwrap it. Get out of the shadow. Go ahead, Maddie. Eat your cheeseburger. Go ahead. It's okay. So it looks like she's eating the bottom bun first. I'm not sure why. Usually when she eats these things, she'll take the bun off and then eat the meat first. Oh, looks like she's going for the rest of the burger. It's almost completely thankless to give a dog food like this because they eat it so damn fast. I don't even know how they taste it, but she really likes these things. Is that it? Is that all, Maddie? Oh, it's all gone. She's licking the wrapper now to see if there's any cheeseburger left. And I don't think there is. Maddie, did you like your cheeseburger, buddy? Huh? Yeah. That was Maddie eating a cheeseburger. Starring Maddie Moo.